Looking for the ultimate terminal? You have found the right comparison. Today we are putting up Warp up against Cloud Code. Think of it like choosing between a rocket-powered engine and a super intelligent co-pilot. Both are fast, but one got a few more kicks up its sleeve. Let's dive in and see which one answers what in your developer toolkit. First up, Warp. It's the new kid on the block, shaking up the terminal world with its sleek modern interface. Imagine if a terminal had a personality, this one would be all efficiency and collaboration. Warp's built for speed, designed to help you breeze through commands without getting bogged down. Command palettes let you execute tasks in a flash and real-time collaboration feature. It's perfect for teams who want to work together without juggling a million open windows or fighting through endless lines of codes. Now let's talk about Cloud Code. It might not have Warp's flashy interface, but it's a powerhouse for intelligence. Cloud Code, like that brainy coder friend who just gets your entire project with its ability to map and explain entire code bases. Cloud Code is perfect for when you need to tackle complex tasks with AI-driven assistant at your side. It goes beyond simple command execution. Think of it as having a second brain to handle multi-files, edits, generate code, and even make pull requests all from your terminal. So how do they stack up? If you want something sleek, modern, and collaborative, Warp is your go-to. It's built for real-time teamwork and speed, making it must-have for developers who thrive in fast-paced collaborative environment. But if you need raw power and intelligence, something that can map, analyze, and work with your entire core base, Cloud Code is the ultimate brain in your terminal toolkit. At the end of the day, it all comes down to your workflow. Want to simplify your terminal, collaborate with ease, and move at lightning speed? Warp has got your back. But if you are tackling complex projects and need a smart AI-powered co-pilot, Cloud Code is ready to handle whatever you throw at it. Let me know in the comment section which one you pick.